from Immunosciences Healthy Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a very special recipe which will help you stay fit, healthy and energetic. You can make it a day prior and even consume it on the way to work. If you have any queries, please mention it in the comment section below. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to Immunosciences so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Today's recipe is dairy-free banana delight. The ingredients needed are 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk. For the topping, we would need 1 tablespoon of nut powder and some cornflakes to sprinkle on the top. The drink is ready and you see how simple it was to make it, and I'm sure you're going to like the taste of it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to the recipe, subscribe to the channel and give us your valuable feedback. Have a great day and stay fit.